Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change chat wallpaper on Messenger. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you have to just simply update your Messenger application on Play Store. So for that, you have to just simply open up your Play Store and search for Messenger. So I'm just searching for Messenger, and after that, you have to simply click the Messenger and make sure you have updated the latest version of Messenger. So I have updated the latest version. You guys will be able to see there is no any update available. So I'm just opening it, just clicking on open. So after opening up, you have to just simply open up any of the chat in which you want to change the wallpaper. So I have opened the chat, and now you have to just simply click on the opponent's profile picture. I'm just clicking on that. Now it will open up their settings. So here you have to just simply select the customization, the theme. So below the customization, there is a theme. You have to just simply click on theme. Now you have to just simply select any of the theme, and your phone messenger's chat screen wallpaper will be changed accordingly. I'm just selecting any of one in order to test. You will be able to see there are lots of themes. You have to simply, I think this is good to go. So after that, you have to simply click on select. So it will change whole theme, including wallpaper and everything. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.